NFP Friday today. I am neutral going into market open. However, I'm looking at London50 here, and there's a high probability that this gap is going to get filled. We have high time frame SMTs here, where ES has taken a buy side, just marking out a key level here, which is a daily imbalance. I'm also marking out lower the end dog high and the low that I am expecting price to trade down towards. Once we get that first presented inverse, I do take the first attempt on the sell here, and it was before the 950 macro, and I did get stopped out relatively quickly on this one. However, I was happy with that. The idea and the setup did form for me. I could have been more patient and waited for that macro time for the highest probability. However, we've got SMTs again here on the highs where ES has taken the session high, and we did get a nice displacement inversing that gap again. So I did take this sell for a second attempt. I did another contract once we tap into that fair value gap, and I did manage to reduce my stop pretty much straight away as we got an order block from that gap, targeting the minor sell side liquidity for TP1, where I will also be going break even. And we did then start getting bearish order flow, creating more order blocks. This was looking like a nice sell-off. Once ES did tap into that midnight opening price, I did end up taking a partial just to cover a bit of a loss from the trade before. Second TP is going to be this minor sell side liquidity, so we are getting another order block there, and I did take off another partial there, and I am sitting at break even, risk free trade. Do not want to be giving anything back on a Friday to the market. I've started to trail my stop into profit now as well. So the worst case is we're going to get stopped out in profit. Okay, trailing my stops even further now, and going to be closing the full position here at the data lows. And there we go, and these are the executions. As you can see here on the London 50, we filled that gap.